first started having knee problems when I was about 22 years old from multiple dirt bike crashes. I've had like 4 big ones that caused me to have 4 knee surgeries previously. I've had my ACL, MCL, and PCLs replaced twice and a couple of meniscus tears. Dr. Muldoon said my knee was like a bad 85-year-old knee. It is bone to bone and need a full knee replacement.
But you have that arthritis and you have a relatively well-preserved patellofemoral joint. But unfortunately, your knee is so stiff and you've had ligament damage in that knee, and that actually makes it that the only replacement that you can do on this knee is a total knee replacement. And so because of that, when we do your surgery, I'm going to use surgical navigation and some what we call passive robotics, because they're not doing the surgery, I'm doing it. It just moves a cutting block in space. Okay. Usually by 6 months, people are doing most anything they want to do, but you continue to improve after a total knee replacement for upwards of 2 years.
It just hits me every now and then. I could be driving and I could get out of my car and have my knee lock up and yell from pain. I'm literally just walking hurts, so that'll be a huge difference. You know, we got my daughter signed up for soccer now. You know, it'd be nice to be able to run and kick the ball with them.
Hey, morning, how are you?
Good.
Good.
So they should probably be calling for you in about an hour 15, and then we'll get you down there and we'll get the show on the road, okay?
What does the future look like for Billy after knee surgery? What will he be able to do?
Well, I think he'll be able to walk around a lot better. I think he'll be able to bend, squat, do things like that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And then you don't need that other.
Yeah, they have like a little practice. So they do, yeah. Cool.
I'll walk just in case.
Hi. You gave me a kiss. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah? Oh, this is good.
Let me make this a little bit taller for him because again sometimes. Okay, and you're allowed to bear as much weight as you can tolerate on that leg.
Really?
There's no weight restriction. It says weight bearing is tolerated as much as you can tolerate.
How you doing? I'm careful.
Now he's showing off.
He really is.